8 minutes. 8 minutes, you got to clear the floor. My hand. E! Come up. Hey, look, we're in great shape right now, all right? Playing really hard here, understand? Every rebound is going to be a war. All right? Every rebound is a war. Come on! Let's go! Next one's going in, son. All right? Let's go. Let's go. Keep on attacking the basket. They come, look for the kick. Watch the help, D. In the 4-minute games, all right? We're two wins, 1 loss. Okay? We got to win this one. Finish the possession. Walk! Yeah, they're coming. Everybody's coming. Nobody said buckets are easy, all right? Big things in the loose balls, we got to get them. We've got a majority of them, but that one right there we needed to get. Great pass right there. Great cut. Same thing, man. Look. Nothing says we can't make a great basket cut off a post feed. Yeah. Good. That's two. Catch it.
You want catchy? Catchy!
Yeah.
Go!
Let's give him a little breather here. We got to the media. Like another minute or so, but then let's bring back Catchy's playing great. So, you know, let's not have Boss pick up dependent. I mean, what we don't want to do is have a third. Who was that on? Becomes less effective and be able to defend in the second half if he's got 3. Hey, Alex, be smart. KYP, man. One dribble, look for the 3 quick. All right? Get your feet set, shoot it. Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!